Hello, welcome to the video series where I record everything I do to build and launch an app. So today, this series is about Dohrow, a cooking app that not only plans out your week's dinner based on ingredient freshness, it also minimizes waste from your fridge, and it generates you the entire week's detailed grocery list so you can spend the least amount of time grocery shopping. So this is a continuation of the last video, and the bug that we're trying to fix today is allowing users to edit food preferences in the profile section. So while testing the app, I found out that, well, I realized that it's pretty important to be able to go to your settings and then edit your food preferences, else they'll keep suggesting you the food preferences that you selected when you first onboarded, which might have changed because your tastes and preferences can change from week to week or day to day even. So yeah, let's look at that. So to show you what the profile section looks like, we'll go to. So quick note while this is building, um, I have this bad habit of keeping commented code out, um, even though it's a discouraged practice. So I'm thinking maybe, hmm, where should we put it? Maybe we can put it right above kitchen equipment. Yeah, this is a settings card. We already have like how it looks like, so we can just, because I'm lazy, I am just going to, how to say this, um, use ChatGPT to do it. Okay. Um, show me portion. Just quick refresh. Okay, cool. So I think we can just build like it. Yeah. Okay. In user profile view. Actually, before that, so because I wanna be able to re-save the let users edit their cuisine preferences, first I have to figure out how to load the um previously selected food preference cuisine preferences first, which I've not had to fetch before this because I'm essentially just getting like the whole list of cuisine preferences and then saving it in the onboarding table. So I'm just gonna quickly go look at how the complete onboarding thing works. Okay, um this is the onboarding form. Ah, wait, why can't I type in here? Because maybe I'll just go into the step itself. Whoops. Because this one is the cuisine journey step. Yeah, okay, good thing I have a review. No, what? Oh, that's ugly. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, I didn't do the preview for this, but it's okay. Cuisine journey step. Okay, so we can see from here what cuisines. Da, da, da. Okay, so the load loads all the available um cuisines, as you can see over here. Uh, and but like what I want would be users um, the user's cuisine preferences, which is in a table called, just looking at the database in another screen, which is in a table called user cuisine preferences. Okay, cool. So this is where we fetch the cuisine preferences, and we can see that. Oh, okay. From this is how we set the user cuisine preferences. Okay. So we can just ask ChatGPT in our query to reference and show them these things and get them to write and update cuisine preferences function in here. Okay. Importing data. Okay, we can just use this one. So I will write a specific function for it so that we don't have to, because the fetch onboarding data function actually does quite a bunch of things. And then whereas I just want the cuisine preferences part. So I will just write a separate function for it. Oh no. Okay, I didn't enter it, so it's not. Okay, so let me think. Okay, let's try this again. I cannot remember. Yeah, I think this means that they have access to the entire code base. Let's try it. So what am I doing? Okay, in user profile view, we wanna go to the settings card and add another one, maybe with the sparkle icon. Yeah, okay. Add a new setting card with sparkle.fill icon and title cuisine preferences. Maybe with the subtitle edit, edit selected preferences, edit selection onboarding, edit selections. Okay, I'll just put this one now. Edits with the subtitle, edit selections, and accent color. What color? Maybe chili red or lighter orange. Lighter orange. Lighter orange. Dohrow colors. Lighter orange. Okay. Showing equipment view. Okay. Right. This one is the sheet. Okay. Pass in. So we pass in when showing cuisine references is true. Present the sheet with a newly created. It's gotta be a checklist. So maybe can we just kind of follow this one, generalize this one, and use it somehow? Maybe. Yeah, never mind. I'll write a new one. Present the sheet a new what's it called? Cuisine preferences view. Okay. New empty. Okay, just this one. In the cuisine preferences view, let's add a basic checklist with some dummy data. That's basic, a simple title and a basic thumbnail. Follow the style of equipment view. Okay, and then we'll like fill it in later, I guess. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this looks like. Ugh, oh my gosh, that's so ugly. We need to add some padding to the sides. Can you add some padding to both left and right sides of the oh okay. The title needs to go because we already have it on top. Of the checklist. What? I mean, equipment view has got such nicer. Follow the style of the style of the cuisine preferences view looks bad. Please follow how equipment view looks like. Okay, I'll just copy paste this one, I think. Stick. I really want to like stop the video and restart it right now, but like I guess the point is to show that I'm struggling. Anyway, guess I just will undo these and then ask ChatGPT for help instead. Okay, all cuisines. Da, da, da. Actually, why can I not figure it out? I feel like I can. I feel like I can. Okay, okay. Let's just see. Use equipment roles style. Never mind, forget it. I might just copy this. Come to here. Ask it. Okay. The cuisine preference looks bad. Design. Can we follow equipment? What's the equipment one called again? Equipment view instead. Something like let's use room for cuisines too. What is this? Okay, remove this. Why does it look weird? Does it look weird? Oh, equipment view. It feels like the title is so far leaning to the left. Oh no, it looks the same. Alright, fine. Wait, what? Where's the sparkle fill icon? Why is it not there? Yeah. Alright, doesn't matter. I'll fix it later. I feel like I remember there's a way to see all the different icons. I don't remember where. This is so stressful. Recording me not knowing shit is kind of stressful. How to show icons in SF icons in Xcode. Command Shift L. Let's try it. Oh, perfect. Finally something that's working, I guess. Oh, is it just sparkle? Sparkles? We will try sparkles. Does that work? Wait, why is it not reloading? Okay, what if I try sparkle? Oh, okay, let's just... What? Oh, it's just sparkles. Okay, yeah, I'll just do that one. Also, I think I wanted it in front. Okay. Okay. And then I want to say that what view model do we have here? Okay, so okay. I don't think we have anything cuisine related here. So I guess I'm like, should I have it in the view user profile view model, or do I just load in another onboarding view model inside here? In my iOS view, is it better to have two view models to load and edit, or new one just do one? Oh, that's the question. Okay, just do one. Oh, I'll be more specific, I think. As it's stored as an onboarding data. Data as cuisine reference is stored once when the user first onboards. Now I want to be able to um, allow users to edit their cuisine preferences the in the profile section. So I added a new card to enable users to do that. Now I'm unsure whether it's better practice to have fetch onboarding cuisine preferences option in model or edit in one model. I think okay, cool. So we're supposed to add it to user profile view model. Okay, okay. So I just have like an empty front end thing that isn't hooked up to the back end, and then now I have two main parts now left to do. One is to, as Claude suggested, write the um load the user's cuisine preferences to load what the user already previously selected that's stored in the table called um, user cuisine preferences, and uh and then the second part is like to initialize it in the uh, user profile load cuisines view, um preferences view. So now I'll ask Claude to, oh, I'm here. Okay, okay, cool. This is For context, user cuisine are stored in a table called I wanna copy these tables. Copy table schema. Schema is okay. This is my code, but don't guess I didn't copy it. Copy table schema. Copy okay. Is this okay? And then I've pasted how I persisted how I persist the onboarding data. And then view where initializing the user profile view model, right? Yeah. And we fetch in the dependencies we init. We load the user profile via fetch user profile. Fetch user data. Please add the function in what's this called? User data repository. The fetch user cuisine, maybe just cuisine preferences function in user data repository. Okay, paste it. Oh, but I guess maybe I need to add it to the user profile, cuisine preferences, right? Also add cuisine preferences to user profile struct. No, but user profile is on table, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay. So we don't do that. But how can we? So I guess we can just call the function and then return like the list of selected cuisines, and then yeah, put it in user profile view model. Okay, so we don't do that. Yeah, we don't do that. Okay, this one we delete. Please add the I'll just call it this instead, I think. Yep. Save. Fetch data, fetch available options. Oh, because we still need to fetch the available options. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Also give me the code for update cuisine for save cuisine. Person says after the user enters their new preferences. I think I forgot to with this one. But I guess the cuisine preferences schema has that already, maybe. Alright. Okay, protocol user data saving. Data repository. Yep. Fetch cuisine preferences. Save cuisine preferences. Okay. Then in user profile view model, preferences. Okay, I'll put it here. Um, oh, how can we only hit the user? Oh, only hit the cuisines table. Only hit the cuisine table. Cuisines. How can we change the code to only the cuisines table? The cuisine table is called cuisines and its schema looks like this. Copy the schema. Onboarding controller. Did I share this already? The onboarding controller code. Yeah, I did. Okay. I mean, I think it's okay because the onboarding table is very small anyway. So, okay. So, wait, what? Okay. So, fetch cuisine. Onboarding controller. Put it after this one, I guess. And then in user profile view model. Fetch cuisines. What? What am I doing? Oh, okay. The thing is, this one has preferences. Preferences. Previous. Why are we now fetching? Hmm. Yeah, let's. Yeah, I think there's no need to do it so do it so quickly. Yep, I think this is fine. Available cuisines. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, cool, cool. Okay, good. Now that we've updated the view model, okay, we can pass it into this cuisine preferences view. Sequential version. So it's simpler. Okay. Now can you please suggest the necessary change for user profile view and cuisine preferences view so that um, so so that we load the selected cuisine preferences and then update new selections with the backend. Here's my here's my user and my user profile. Mm, okay, I think there's no need to paste in the toggle because um, it's just a on and off toggle. Cuisine preferences. Oh no. Oh shit. The annoying thing is I have to update the um, previews, which I have not done. Okay. Yeah, because there's a fetch cuisines now. Okay, let's see. Previously, it's only fetch onboarding and submit onboarding form. And now I have to add in a uh, new stuff, which I will just ask Claude to do after this response. Okay, I'll just put these changes in first before I fix the errors. Why is it changing my style? Hmm. I hate it when it does extra stuff that's not necessary. Okay. Why are we changing the style of cuisine? We keep the changes as minimal possible and only focus on backend integration changes. I don't need to show the cuisine. So right now in here, they're changing the, like there's need to capture the new count of the cuisine, but like there's no need for that because I'm not showing the um, count of the cuisine to begin with. So I'm gonna ask Claude to change that. Count anywhere. So not display. Let's not get the change. Okay, better. Let's do the functions first. Oh, toggle cuisine is already there. Well, okay. Still gonna fix up the previews in a second. But yeah. I guess we don't need to change the user profile view stuff then. Why is that? Huh? Oh, oh. Question. Why in the case of cuisine preferences view, why aren't we passing in um the why aren't we passing in the uh, users cuisine preferences from? I guess because um if we pass it in from here, then we're loading all the data from here when it's not necessary. Let me just confirm that we've got from user profile view instead. How does how does um dependencies work? Is it because we might not need to call the fetch and save cuisine preferences? We might not need to load fetch and save cuisine function until the user taps into cuisine view. Also on a separate note, um, please help me add the stubs for ah, okay. Mm. It's actually pretty difficult to like think of what I should be saying to entertain my viewers and also working. Okay. Mm. Mm. What is wrong with users? Why? It uses .life hierarchy for dependencies for the first part. So because I guess because there's dependencies used in here. Is it because in user profile view we use because we configure the view model with dependencies. That's why I can just use dependent.live dependencies to access the functions. Cuisines. Review onboarding controller. It's missing fetch cuisines function, and then this one is this one. Okay. I'll put it at the back, I think. Maybe here. Alright. Exactly right. Here's the flow. Right from the environment, created before environment is available. Oh. Oh. Okay. Cool. I guess now we can test this one and see if it works. And then after this, I will test it on my device. Yeah. Oh my god. Shit. Holy shit. Oops. So it looks fine. So what is going on? Updated. Okay. So cuisine preferences view obviously looks fine, but it's showing this terrible strip of I don't know what. Why is this? Oh, okay, it works now. So I don't know what that was. Guess it's a loading thing then. Okay, cool. Tiny bit long video. Thank you for being here. If you're still watching, yeah. Bye bye.